Global oil prices did not spiral after the Strait of Hormuz closed at the start of the Iran war because China absorbed the shock, cutting crude imports by 40% between April and June 2026 and drawing down enormous pre-war stockpiles. That cut and drawdown covered the loss of more than 13 million barrels per day of Middle Eastern exports, stabilizing world prices and averting a recession that would have raised fuel, shipping, and manufacturing costs for households and businesses everywhere. The closure cut the corridor that carries a large share of the world's oil, and the buffer that steadied the market sat thousands of miles away on the Chinese mainland. The scale made the intervention possible. Stockpiles were double the combined size of United States and Japanese reserves and larger than the reserves of the United States, Japan, Saudi Arabia, and South Korea combined. Forward cover was easily 150-plus days, providing months of supply while imports were pulled back. The import cut held because domestic oil demand was destroyed. More than half of passenger vehicles sold are now electric, and about a quarter of trucks sold are electric, while second-quarter sales of gasoline, diesel, and jet fuel fell well over 10% year-over-year. The power mix shifted with it. Coal provided 54% of electricity last year and is below 50% this year compared with 80% in 2011. While renewables topped 40% for the first time, supported by greater use of coal and gas and export bans on refined products that kept more fuel at home. The shift is presented as a long-term strategy for energy security and protection against sanctions, with the China National Petroleum Corporation seeing 85% energy self-sufficiency in 2026 and Goldman Sachs projecting 100% by 2060. The account comes from a single analysis published August 14, 2026, with no independent customs, stockpile, or market data confirming the figures in the material provided. That leaves unresolved how much of the price stability is directly attributable to those actions and whether the demand destruction and power mix transformation will be sustained as imports, stockpiles, and refined product controls are managed going forward. Like and follow for more stories that matter.